Good morning, everybody. It is June 22nd, 2023, the first full day of summer. What a beautiful day it is up here on Lake Chapin above the Berrien Springs, Michigan Dam. Testing out this QD15 that I bought last January at an estate sale. It needed the normal stuff. The coils were cracked, so I put new coils in it, cleaned the points, new condensers, carburetor kit, new water pump, new shift rod seal. The prop shaft seal and drive shaft seal were in good shape, so I left them. I checked the speed a little bit earlier. We were doing 13 miles an hour, so that isn't too bad for this boat. It's a 61 Starcraft. We're fairly heavy. We've got this 18 horse Johnson here as a backup. Well, I was running it earlier actually. And first mate up front. I put new seats in this boat this winter, new white oak and new upholstered seats. Turned out pretty nice, as well as a new transom. So let's start it up and take it for a test ride. I noticed one thing: this motor is considerably louder than the later models. Idle's real nice, pumping lots of water. Here we go, hang on. Well, there it is. Nice, smooth running motor. I don't think it has many hours on it. It seems to be a really strong runner. There's reverse. There you have it. Have a good summer on the water.